Now, one of the aspirants for Ogbia Constituency 1 in the just concluded People's Democratic Party primary, Johnbull Azibataman, has left the party for the Advanced People's Democratic Alliance. He made his position known at a news conference in Yenagoa, a day after the incumbent, Mitema Obodo, was declared winner of the contest. The former PDP member cited the lack of internal democracy as his reason for his action.
Of the people of Ogbia Constituency 1 will not allow themselves to be victims of political slavery. I regrettably and painfully announce a new platform to actualize my dream of serving the resilient people of Ogbia Constituency 1 in the floor of the Bayelsa State House of Assembly come 2019. That platform, ladies and gentlemen, is the Advanced People's Democratic Alliance.